Thanks for coming to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Learn how to change the pressure settings on an AirSense 11 in this video. First, start by pressing the purple and blue buttons at the same time to access the clinical menu. Click Settings and you will see that the machine is currently in AutoSet mode, meaning the pressure range will automatically adjust depending on your changing needs at night. Click into Pressure Range and choose the min and max pressures to accommodate your personalized breathing needs. Some patients may choose only to have one continuous pressure throughout the night and will need to change their therapy mode from AutoSet to CPAP. Go into the mode line item and change it to CPAP. This allows for only one single pressure throughout the night no matter what. So if you are prescribed to pressure setting 12, press that number and push Save to lock it in. You can also adjust your pressure by changing the EPR settings, which helps provide a more comfortable experience when exhaling. Toggle the setting on or off and push humidity level to choose between the 8 pressure settings here. When placed at 4, this means that during exhale, your pressure will be 4 less than what you are prescribed to provide relief and extra comfort. So if your pressure settings are set at 12, during exhale to make it a little easier to breathe, it will drop slightly to an 8. Female-specific sleep apnea can be targeted using AutoSet for her mode. This mode is based on the key aspects of ResMed's AutoSet algorithm, but has a therapeutic response designed to provide treatment optimized for female patients. Just like AutoSet, users can choose the min and max pressure of their therapy to accommodate their changing needs at night.